So while it is loading, we will use our Migo transaction to do the goods issue. Go to Migo, goods issue, other, 201, material, quantity 2, plant GP 01, SP 11. We have some quantity, right? So cost center, it will ask you for the cost center. We already have a cost centers. Which cost center you want to give? Supply chain cost. Click on check button. If all okay, post. So accounting entries, display. So document info, FA documents, accounting document. See, raw material, the stock account got credit and GBP, VBR, that's debit. That is what happens when you are doing the goods issue for cost center. We will do one more goods issue for scrapping, other, 551, same material, quantity 3, or else we can take quantity 1. This time we will do from GP02. Or else, yeah, GP02 is fine. SP 21. Cost center, the same cost center, we can use it. Come check. So all good. There is no item category assigned to assignment. Field selection for 551. Okay, there is a field selection related issue is coming. So we need to check that point. There is no item category assigned to account. So what we need to do, FS00. This the control area has some issue. G018. But there is some kind of difference has occurred between item category 1. But if you go to G018, optional item category. When we get the mandatory and optional, this contradictory is coming between GL account and the moment type, then system will throw this kind of messes. Payment reason, payment subcontract, transaction type. So let us change something to general. Till the GL account we can change, but type wise also / and OMJZ 551 551. Field selection key KOSTL. Let's make it this optional. / FS00. We'll keep it back same G018. So now we go to Migo 551, quantity 1, plant, location, cost center is optional. Still there is an issue. There is no item category assigned to the account. The online document splitting is active in your system. Here, each document assigned to the account and document variant, each classify GL account document setting. Classify GL accounts for document setting. Okay, where is our GL? 4000. Four. Okay, this 4000 is not maintained, I think. Document splitting is not maintained for this GL range. So let us go to Migo. Scrapping. Done. So in the document splitting configuration, this GL account is not maintained. That's why that error has come. Anyway, we cracked it. So display, document info, FA document, accounting document. This looks similar, but the GBB respective key, which is assigned to the 551 movement type, that will come. Okay. For example, if you go to OMJZ, movement type configuration, 551, 551. So in 551, account grouping, VNG is there, right? So the GL account will come from the GBB VNG.